Pappy's back this week. Just wanted to update you on my situation. Plans are changing. We're going to have to get this car put together to where it can run and drive. So I want to complete the welding on this quarter panel, and then I got to move to complete the trunk panel so I can get the fuel tank put back in it so we can drive this thing. And then we're going to try to move, so over the next few months, time's going to be limited. We'll be able to get on a regular basis after that. I really need the extra space. So God willing, we'll continue on, but just watch me work.